Welcome to Brainfeed magazine. From this article, you will learn about an aircrew officer career that will let you travel through the clouds while getting paid well. Let's get started. Initially, as an aircrew officer, you will get to fly domestic flights, but as you gain experience, you will get the opportunity of taking the international routes. Your primary duty will be to ensure the safety and comfort of all the passengers present in the flight. However, there are two types of aircrew officers, one who flies commercial flights and one who flies military aircraft. Being an aircrew officer requires lots of training and experience. Roles and responsibilities. Responsibilities cover a broad range of tasks that are essential for the passengers on board. These include operating and managing the aircraft's communication systems, including satellite links and navigation. Overseeing and handling radar equipment to detect threats and navigate safely. Managing the aircraft's weapons and defensive systems during combat to protect the crew and aircraft. Conducting inspections of all onboard equipment before, during and after flights to ensure that everything is operational. Skills required. An aircrew officer requires acknowledging technical and operational sides of the airplane. Some of them are skills to handle, operate and combat threats to protect the airplane and crew. Aircraft knowledge, including its technology, systems, and rectifying technical and engine issues. Leading the crew on how to handle missions, especially under critical situations, ensuring success of the mission and safety of the crew. Knowing to communicate in diverse languages, especially when it comes to international flights. Education. A bachelor's degree in aviation or a similar field is a strong advantage, as these programs provide a foundation in aviation principles and safety protocols, all crucial for the role. Some airlines may even require passing an entrance exam for these programs. Completing a master's degree can further boost your qualifications and career prospects. Challenges. They will be required to work for long shift hours, which can include overnight flights that can cause fatigue and can interrupt sleeping patterns. They should meet strict medical and fitness standards in accordance with the requirements for the role. They have to go through high altitudes where oxygen level reduces. Besides, sometimes low humidity in the cabin can lead to dehydration and discomfort. They need to have quick knowledge of severe situations such as engine failures, medical incidents, or vulnerable weather. A career for this particular role can be challenging as well as rewarding for those passionate about aviation and traveling. That brings us to the end of this article. Here you learned the journey towards being an aircrew officer requires a lot of skills, resilience and dedication. Skills and education. Aircrew officers require technical skills, aircraft knowledge, leadership, and multilingual communication. A bachelor's degree in aviation is essential, with a master's degree providing further career advantages. Responsibilities. Whether on commercial or military flights, they ensure passenger safety, operate communication and radar systems, manage defensive equipment, and conduct thorough equipment inspections. Challenges. The role involves long hours, strict medical standards, and quick decision-making in emergencies, making it both demanding and rewarding for aviation enthusiasts. We hope you liked this story. Stay tuned to Brainfeed TV, our YouTube channel.